So hi students, come to the today's session. So in this video we are going to discuss about the worksheet 2.2 D2I Romans. So already we have completed in this in this worksheet 2.2 A to C completed already. We are going to discuss about D2I now. So now the coming to the question D, what is the place value on face value of 1 in the given number? So D Roman. So first note that number, what is the question there? So here 94 in lakhs period. So 94 lakhs, first write the periods here, ones period, thousands period, and here it is will be the lakhs period, 84 lakhs 81,000, 94 lakhs 81,764. So here we are going to find the place value of 1. So what is the place value of 1 and face values? Both you have to find. Place value and face value. So first you have to write place value. You can write like this, PV means place value. So here place, what is the place of 1 here? So 1 in thousands period. So 1 is the thousands place. So here in thousands period 1000, 10,000 will be there. Here 1 is in 1000s place. So 1 must be multiplied by 1000. Then we will get 1000 as answer. So 1000 is the place value of 1 here in this given number, and the face value means FV. Face value is the number itself only. The place value of a number, will be, that number should be multiplied by the place, but the face value means the number itself only. 1 we can call it as 1 only. Okay, like that you have to do this one. And coming to the E sum, in E question, find the place value of underlined digit in the 3,66,245. In this, which place is underlined here? You can see in your book 6 is underlined. Which place 6? Here 66,000 is there. In 1000 place both 6 are there. Thousands place 6 is there, 10,000 place also 6 is there. But which 6 you have underlined? 1000 place 6 is underlined. So we have to write the place value of that 6, means we have to multiply the 6 with 1000. So 6 into 1000, 6,000 we will get the answer as place value of the 6 is 6,000. So like that you can do that one. Here coming to the F Roman, here in F sum, so 7 in, what is the place value of 7 in 1 crore 45 lakhs 37,526. Here which is the place value, place here 7 is in thousands place. So we have to multiply that 7 with 1000, then we will get the place value of the 7. 7 into 1000, 7000 will be the place value of that 7. Understood? Like that you can complete the D, E, F. These 3 are in same model, but in D we have to find the place value and face value. But in E and F we have to find the place value only. Understood? Now coming to the G. How many zeros are there in the 10 crores? So in 10 crores how many zeros are there? That is the question asked by G. In G, write the solution for that. Here 10 crores is given. So we are going to write the 10 crores number, means first we have to write the places up to 10 crores, then we can arrange the number. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores and 10 crores. Up to 10 crores. 10 crores means 1 in 10 crores place, and remaining places will become zeros. So ones, tens, hundreds will become ones period, here thousands period, here it will become lakhs period, it will become crores period. In 10 crores how many zeros are there? Except 1, remaining 8 zeros will be there. What we have to write here? Here 8 zeros are. 8 zeros are there in 10 crores. Understood? Like that you have to write the answer. Understood? This answer you can write in that blank. Already place is there to complete. And now coming to the H Roman. Find the sum of the place value of the circle digit in each of the following. That is the question in H Roman. So what is the question? 1 here. So this is the number is given in that first question, 25 lakhs. Here write the places, periods you can write here 25 lakhs 94,614 is there. So here what are the numbers are rounded here 5 is rounded and 4 is rounded. So 5 is in which place? 5 in lakhs place. We have to write the place value of 5 lakhs. Place value of 5 we have to write 5 lakhs. When you are writing the place value also you must put commas. Understood? Next here 4 in which place? Thousands place. Write the 4,000 here. So you have to add these two. Then we will get the sum of the place value of the circle digits. So here 0, 1 place, here 1's place 0, here 1's place, 10's place, 10's place. Like that you can add. So here 1's place 0, 10's place 0, 100's place 0 and 1000's place 4 is there here. And in 10,000's place 0 here 10,000 is not there. In lakhs also you have to write 5 lakhs there. So here 5 lakhs 4,000 is the answer for this. Understood? Like that you have to write the both place values of the circle digit, then you can add those two, then we will get the final answer. Understood? Like this you have to complete that Roman, H Roman you have to complete with the using of this model. And coming to the I Roman, in I Roman also similar to this, but here find the difference between the place value and of the underlined digits. Here we have added these two place values, but we have to subtract the place value of the underlined digits here. So here also I am going to explain the third one. So this is the number, here it is 1's period, in the 10,000's period, here it is lakhs period, it is crores period. It is 1's period, 1000's period, lakhs period and crores period. So 4 crores 83 lakhs 4 crores 83 lakhs 16,495 is a given number, and here 6 in thousands place is underlined, here 10 lakhs place is underlined. So what is the place value of 80 lakhs. So 18 10 lakhs, that's why it will become 80 lakhs. When you are writing this place value 80 lakhs, you can read 80 lakhs after comma, and thousands 2000's place 2 numbers will be there. So for the 2 numbers you can put zeros and put comma, and tens, ones, hundreds 3 digits will be there in 1's period. For those 3 zeros you have to keep. Like that you can write, then no mistake will not come in your answer. Understood? And we have to subtract this place value and this place value. So here it is 6 in thousands place, so 6,000 we have to write. Here we added in H Roman we added those place value, but here we are going to find this difference, means we have to subtract. Then go for subtraction. Here 1's place 0 0, you can write 0 in 1's place here. In tens also 0, hundreds also 0. In thousands place, when you are going to subtract the thousands place, here 0 is there, but here 6 we can't do. So that we have to cut it, and here we have to write 10, and it will become 9, it will become 9, it will become 7. Like that you can write the numbers. And 10 minus 6 you will get 4, and here 997 are there, you can copy that number 997, because here no places are there, no numbers are there to subtract. So that we can write that 79 lakhs 94,000. You can write 79 lakhs 94,000 we will get as an answer. This is the difference of the place values of the underlined digits. Understood? Like this you have to complete this Romans. Here what we discussed here in worksheet 2.2, D Roman to I Roman we have discussed. So that up to this you have to complete this. First you have to complete what sums are explained on the board, then you have to complete the remaining sums in that Roman. Understood? Thank you.